Hello everyone, hope you're keeping well this afternoon. My name is Sil and I'm the lead chef of Delicasil food service. We provide West African food dishes, Afro-Caribbean cuisine, and also incorporating European food. It's week 4 in England of lockdown, stay at home. Very difficult time no one has experienced before now. But you know what? We will get over it. It will pass. Let us be positive, because to be positive is to conquer. My heart goes after some of us who have lost family members, friends, or even work colleagues to this pandemic. I pray that their souls will rest in eternal peace. Moving on, due to feedback from some individuals, our loyal customers, and also some group of people we've been able to support at this time, it's been of essence to start a new platform as this in this YouTube channel, where we'll be discussing, communicating together in a very interactive and conversational mode about healthy eating and even making a lifestyle. Okay, we'll be looking forward to talking about this, showing you in our kitchen how to make your dishes even more healthy and also preventing food waste. That's what we're going to be doing in this new channel. We're going to be asking for your opinion also, seeking for your suggestions. For example, is there any dish you have been struggling with over the years, over time, that you've not really had time to make? This is an opportunity for you to bring it on. And also, we're going to be keeping it really simple, because you are going to be doing it by yourself. I know we're very familiar with the slogan DIY in this part of the world. We want to bring DIY into cooking, especially at this lockdown and stay at home period. Keeping ourselves busy, getting engaged with our families and our children, our husbands, our daddies, and making cooking time fun time, whilst also achieving healthy eating, which will translate into healthy lifestyle. Remember, one of my favorite quotes is that junk food satisfies you for a minute, but healthy food satisfies you for life. If you like what you've just heard, if your ear is itching, if you're salivating just like I am doing right now, get onto your phone or any of your devices, invite your friends, like and share this video on our YouTube channel, and subscribe to it so that when we make our next video, your notification bell will be ringing. Looking forward to catching up with you for a great, healthy cooking time. Take care now and see you soon.